In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary field in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool for organizing and working with data, and sometimes you need to change the primary field to better suit your needs. The primary field is crucial because it uniquely identifies each record, and it's always the first column in your table. Let's dive in and see how we can make this change effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Airtable base. Open up your web browser, log into your Airtable account, and head over to the specific base where you want to make this change. Once you're inside your base, take a moment to review your table and decide which field you'd like to designate as your new primary field. This will be the column that best represents the unique data in each record and is ideally something that won't change frequently. Now, locate the field that you want to elevate to the primary status. This might be a text field, a number field, or any type of field that contains unique information for each record. Once you've located it, you're ready to move it. Click on the heading of the field you've chosen. Hold down your mouse or trackpad button to grab the field. You'll notice that as you hold the field, you can drag it across the screen. Now, this is where you'll need to drag the field all the way over to the first column. The first column is always the primary field in Airtable, and moving your selected field here will initiate the process of changing it to the primary field. As you drag the field into the first column, Airtable will prompt you with a verification message. This pop-up is Airtable's way of double-checking with you to ensure that you really want to make this change. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and think it over, because changing the primary field can have implications for how you and your team interact with the data. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm the change. And there you have it. Your selected field is now the primary field in your Airtable base. Remember, the primary field is key to identifying each record, so choose wisely. If you ever need to change it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to change the primary field in Airtable. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. Happy organizing!